Hey, another cool little project behind me. Remember that, the little glimpse of that double pumper? Well, this is the car it goes on. This is a 1969 Superbee. It's a real Superbee. It's a real Ram Charger hood Superbee. It's a real red Superbee. My buddy's car. His dad owned it, and he drove this car hard and put it away wet. It looks it, but it still runs. We're going to do some stuff to get it back on the road. Need some brakes. And we're going to put the carburetor on. But here, look, it has the fender tag on it. R6 code. It is a, where's the N90, N96? Can't really read it. It's a little painted over. But that's the air grabber. I mean, this is a real Superbee. And, so it's, yep, 383 car. Power brake car, you know, I mean, it actually has some neat stuff in it. He told me that it actually was a bench seat car with a column shifter, but you know, his dad did what all hot rodders did. He put buckets in it and put the better shifter in. But you know, this Superbees came with Charger dashes. That's the best part about a Superbee. It comes with TikTok and all the other goodies that came at the time. And it's an AM radio. I don't think it's 8-track though. And it's a original white interior car. It also has the side scoops, which was an option. Still has its B on the back. So we're gonna get this sucker rolling. We're gonna put the carburetor on it today, get it idling and stuff, and then we're gonna go and we're going to do the brakes and we'll have some fun with it. So let me get to the carburetor and we'll start there. All right, so the carburetor is now on. Well, non-stock stuff's always fun, so we're gonna get it running in a few minutes, hopefully.
A few moments later.
What? Oh, okay. I got it. running at like a top. Look at that. Where it was leaking like a sieve before. That's beautiful, beautiful idle. Beautiful idle. Go around back. Listen to that. Just listen. There we go. All right, so there you have it. We got it running. It's not leaking everywhere. You know, this is how you do baby steps when you get a car back on the road. Next, we're gonna do the brakes on this, and that's gonna be fun. Then we're gonna have some real fun with it. Maybe get in trouble. Yeah. I hope so. So, you know, if you have a cool classic car or some other thing that's really fun to drive, make sure you take it out because you'll make someone's day, maybe even your own. I'll catch you down the road.